In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Georgia in 25. Starting an LLC is an exciting venture, and I am here to walk you through a streamlined process that makes it extremely affordable. Yes, you heard that right. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll be directed to a special page where you can kick off your LLC journey for just the mandatory state fees. No hidden charges. So make sure to follow that link and let's get your business up and running swiftly. We'll begin by visiting taylorbrands.com. Once you're there, select Georgia as the state for your LLC. Next, you'll want to click on Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your business name, and after typing it in, click Try this name. If the name is available, go ahead and click Next. Now, you'll need to answer some questions about your business. First, what will your business offer? Options range from physical goods to services, technology, and more. Choose the one that best fits your business model, or feel free to skip to the next step. Following this, you'll need to consider the current stage of your business. Are you just starting with an idea, taking your first steps, or perhaps you're already in business? Make your selection and continue on. Then, you'll be asked about your business launch timeline, whether it's imminent or a few months away. Again, choose or skip past this. Next, you must identify your business industry. Enter this information, then decide if you're offering physical goods, professional services, or another type of product. After that, Taylor Brands will want to know about your hiring plans for the upcoming year. Select yes, no, or not sure and proceed. The next question addresses your annual income goal. Is it less than $80,000, more than $80,000, or still unknown to you? Select your option and click Next. Next up is your business location. Enter your postal code and indicate whether your operations are online, in a physical store, or on the go. Click Next or Skip. Following this, when asked what else you're planning for your business, select LLC and continue. You'll be asked what actions you've already taken for your business. Check the options that apply or select none and move on. Taylor Brands will then inquire how you discovered them. Feel free to skip this one if you prefer. Next, Taylor Brands offers a free 12-week coaching program to learn how to run a successful business. You can join or skip. Provide your personal details, such as first name, last name, and phone number, and click Next. Next, there's the option to get your EIN, which is necessary to open a business bank account and hire employees. You can let Taylor Brands assist, or you can do it yourself for free on the IRS website. Continue back to your Taylor Brands setup, and you'll be offered additional services like branding tools and expedited filing. Choose the options that suit you, clicking Next after each choice until you reach the final step, where you'll see the summary of your plan. Your Georgia state fees will be $100, and for this base plan, there are no additional costs for invoicing and bookkeeping. If other services like expedited filing or formation kits interest you, enable these options to see the updated pricing. To finalize, click Continue to Payment, select your payment method, either PayPal or credit card, and click Pay. Just like that, your Georgia LLC is on its way to being officially established. Remember, hitting the link in the description gives you the same $0 startup with only state fees to cover. So jump on that link and start forming your Georgia business today.